So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 105,500. It's 527, but I mean, that doesn't matter that much. The overall situation of Bitcoin has not changed. I mean, I didn't make videos yesterday, but not much has changed. We saw Bitcoin dropping towards, if we just do a bit of recap, it went to $100,000. Our area of support is at 102,500. We had one candle closing below it, but the second candle didn't close below it. This was the one candle that gave us one confirmation. We needed a second one. The second one moved up like like hell, and it closed above it. That's why we didn't close below 102,500. If we had two daily closings below the area of 102,500, then we would have started the journey towards 97,300. As we didn't, so that's why it leaves us in the overall turmoil and painful place. Now from here, Bitcoin can continue to do the drama as it was doing previously. I had offered the area of up to $108,000, even though it can go up to all-time high price, but I'm cutting it a bit of slack. I'm not considering it to go all the way up. It can continue to do the drama of going up as long as it is holding 102,500. The doors are open for the upward journey, but it doesn't mean that it is going to go and hit $120,000, which was the the overall target that I had for Bitcoin. For that, we need to close above $110,000 for more than 2 days. Once we see that happening, only after that we can start saying, okay, now Bitcoin has turned bullish. Now we have captured $110,000. Now we are on the journey towards 120. If none of that is happening, Bitcoin can do a lot of dramas. It can go and hit stop losses for the longs, for the shorts. It can do all kinds of crap, but none of that would dictate the overall direction of Bitcoin. Bitcoin will only have a direction if either it breaks above the $110,000 or it breaks below 102,500. Then only you're going to have any form of direction. Otherwise, it can continue to move sideways for weeks if it wants to, or months, and we will pretty much live in this overall ambiguous situation. And that's pretty much it. If we talk about the upward trend line, we had this kind of upward trend line on Bitcoin, which it lost, and then it went and touched and reacted, and then it went down, and it's still below this trend line, which means that it hasn't started the upward trend. Bitcoin is still struggling, but that's the trend line analysis. All we care about is the support and resistance, and from the support and resistance perspective, we don't have direction yet. Bitcoin is just moving sideways, and it is boring everyone like hell. Once we see breaking of 102,500, then the 97,300 journey will start, and things will start getting a bit excited. For the upward, it needs to break 110 for us to get excited, so that's a bit of a stretch. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.